Wine is always good. Even better when you're with good friends and good company. And this fish, it's not the comb fish. This is, what was this fish? This is, you called it something else, right? Mullet in English. But it is just, We went for a really great ride today. Got a whole load of stuff. One of the things we got was those beautiful tiny little fish. Richard calls them comb fish because once you eat them, they're just the scales of it. Pepper is grinding like this. So just getting the pepper ready. Richard's bringing up the flour. I forgot to buy flour because I do the fish in salt, pepper, and flour.
See.
And also, it doesn't go in olive oil, but it goes in seed oil.
Okay.
So that's what we're going to do. Okay, let's check that, Joe. Loredana is showing you how to do the zucchinis that we did yesterday. Should we do more or just 4 zucchini? Should we do more?
Let's see.
Altri 2.
2 each? Yeah, 2. Yeah. We'll go, John.
Okay.
I'll go get more zucchini. Okay, please.
Okay.
Top, like, see this here?
Sì.
And then a little bit flour off.
Yes.
See that? Then she goes like this.
Perfetto.
Uh-huh.
And then
Oh,
that's,
okay.
Then you wash. So she says, no.
Allora,
Where?
zucchine
Yes.
bollite.
Yes.
Dopo.
Yes.
After and no.
After. After boil.
After boil.
Then you put this.
Leviamo l'acqua, no water.
No water.
Garlic, black pepper and oil.
Once you take the water
Oleo,
off.
olive
You
oil.
take the water out. Okay.
Stop.
Here with the
Stop.
zucchini, Loredana is trying to explain to me, you just boil in water and salt, then later on you add the olive oil and a little bit of garlic to mix it in, and that's what gives it the taste right at the very end. So no extra during boiling, but just a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic at the end that you saute into the pan. The fish that we bought is not the comb fish. It is the Triglia or mullet in English fish, but it is so superb. The mullet fish is just rolled in flour, and then you put it in a seed oil
Farina.
and just add a little salt and pepper once it's in the seed oil. And that's it. It is so
the fish
good.
in Italian is
Triglia.
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 T-R-I, Triglia.
Triglia.
Is you have oil in the pan, hot of course, and then you put the fish in there, and it maybe takes 2 minutes on either side. That's about it. And you just what you do, once you've got the amount of fish you want in there, you can add I think about 8 fish per pan. Then you add a little bit of pepper. You see Loredana doing it right there. A little bit of pepper, and you add a little bit of salt, and that is it. It is so good. You have to do it. And all she's doing is putting in boiling water with a little bit of salt in it. And when she's done, later on at the end, all we do is we drain the water out, add a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of olive oil, and oh my God, it just turns out to be absolutely superb. That's how it looks. Look at that. It is so simple. Wow. Ciao.
See? Can you come in closer to?
The sizzle. That is the key. The sizzle is always so fantastic.
This is my friend Horatio. Loredana, my other friend, my best friend.
The aroma. He's just hiding behind you.
Fresh mullets from the Ionian Sea.
These were
It's
caught
gonna be
today.
wonderful. This morning.
Così si cucinano
Wow.
buoni.
Oh, that's hot from the finger.
Salt and the black pepper,
A
please.
little salt. Little salt.
And the black pepper.
A little black pepper.
Sicilian
yeah.
food pepper.
See, this is almost done. Here, see? See?
The zucchini and the flowers and that. And these are done.
Yes. And how long?
Beautiful.
2-3 minutes? Maybe 5 minutes? 5 minutes. Then we take out the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees, and this is so good. This particular fish, fresh, caught today, gutted and ready to rock and roll. Loredana and myself, we made this stuff, fried it up, put it in a little bit of farina, and away we went. Also made some really, really great zucchini. And then the zucchini was fantastic. But then Joan made a salad absolutely to die for. Fantastico.
Everybody knows you in the pasta right now.
Questo no.
For the salad, no?
Sì.
La salad this. Lavare tanti piatti.
Even the jewelry store guy, the mother, or they came out. They both came out, and they helped and they talked and they did. They wanted to know where we were living, and they said, "Oh, you were to Mount Etna by Orazio and Loredana." Yep,
In
yep, yep, yep.
Montalbano, they said.
Yeah, Mount
Anna
Etna.
Maria. Questa Anna Maria.
In the jewelry store.
Ah,
She showed us her Instagram.
Lucio
She showed us her Instagram
Wine.
and Facebook.
has a wine store near Rosario Fish Market.
Yes, that's where we were.
That's where you went?
Yes. We went. Remember, you and me went to get the boat.
Yeah, one time, yes. And the husband was there, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Usually
she
he's
was there. No, he was there having a smoke. Loredana.
oh, thank you.
It's a beautiful part of
Fish is just.
Did you do them all?
Yes, I did them all. Horatio, how's that comb fish?
Gatto, cat.
Singing.
Oh, wunderbar, as they would say in German.
What a taste.
Wunderbar.
Don't say it in Italian.
Italian.
Buono.
Buono.
Not tedesco.
Not German. No.
taste of
Wine is always good. Even better when you're with good friends and good company and